Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can install Microsoft .NET Framework 4.6 in your Exagear Windows Emulator application in Android. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can install Microsoft .NET Framework in your Android Exagear Windows Emulator. So I have already shown how you can install and run Exagear Windows Emulator application. This is the mod version. I've already made a separate tutorial video on how you can install it in your Android. So in this video I am going to show how you can install Microsoft .NET framework, because there are a lot of upcoming videos on my channel that how you can run any PC software in your Android. For that we need .NET framework. It will going to help me to install any software in Exagear emulator. So the .NET framework download link in the description. I have provided the official Microsoft link, so you can directly download from there. And I have also provided the Exagear download link, and I have also made a separate tutorial video on my channel. You can check out my YouTube channel. So first of all, you have to open the Exagear. So let me just so you have to download the .NET framework in and paste it in the download folder. Make sure it will be in the download folder. As you can see, it is in the download folder. And now you have to open the Exagear Windows Emulator application. So you have to just click on these three lines, just click to manage containers. So you have to just click to three dots and click to run explorer. So it will be in the landscape mode. So let me just turn the screen Android phone. So let me just set up the camera and come back again. So as you can see in the screen, just now I have opened the Exagear Windows Emulator application. So it will look like this. So this is the desktop of this Exagear. So it will going to open the D drive as a download folder. So as you can see, this is the D drive, and this is all my download folder files. Now I am going to open this .NET framework. So after clicking open, it will asking me to agree the license and terms and conditions. So let me just click on this. I accept. So and just click to install. And as you can see, it will saying processing Microsoft .NET framework 4.6 targeting pack. So this is the 4.6 version, and there are a lot of upcoming videos I try to show on my channel the upgraded version of the .NET framework. So this is the 4.6. So I'm in future videos I try to show the 5 version, the 6th version maybe. So subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, it will saying setup successful. So the Microsoft framework successfully installed in Android. Let me just close it. So as you can see, now let me just show you where it's installed. Control panel. So as you can see, the Microsoft.NET Framework 4.6 has been successfully installed in Exagear Windows Emulator Android. So as you can see, we have successfully installed the .NET Framework in Exagear. So I suggest you to install this because there are a lot of upcoming videos on software, how you can run any PC software, very heavy softwares like Photoshop, lot of games. So subscribe to my channel and make sure to install this .NET Framework in your Exagear. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you're getting any problem while running this or installing, let me know in the comments. I'll try to fix your problem. Thank you.